Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer using an adapter. First, gather your equipment. You will need your PlayStation 4 controller, a micro USB charging cable, and a USB Bluetooth adapter. Make sure your personal computer has at least 2 available USB ports for these devices. Additionally, confirm your controller has sufficient battery life, or keep it plugged in for a seamless setup process. We will cover each step thoroughly. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take your Bluetooth adapter and firmly insert it into an open USB port on your personal computer. Many adapters feature a small blinking light, indicating it is powered on and ready to pair. Next, use your micro USB cable to connect your PlayStation 4 controller directly to a separate USB port on your computer. This initial wired connection helps establish the necessary drivers and ensures the controller is recognized correctly by your system before we move to wireless pairing. Your personal computer typically installs the necessary drivers automatically upon the first connection, often within a few seconds. To verify this, open your computer's device manager and look for the Game Controllers or Human Interface Devices section. Your PlayStation 4 controller should appear there. If it doesn't, try a different USB port. With the adapter plugged in, press and hold both the PlayStation button and the Share button on your controller until its light bar begins flashing rapidly, indicating it's in pairing mode. With your controller in pairing mode, go to your personal computer's Bluetooth settings, then select Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Choose the Bluetooth option, and your PlayStation 4 controller should appear in the list. Select it to complete the wireless pairing. For enhanced functionality and wider game compatibility, we highly recommend downloading and installing a tool like DS4 Windows. This free software allows for extensive customization, including button remapping and touchpad controls, making your gaming experience even better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.